Welcome back to BetterAvecBourbon. Today we'll be making my favorite cocktail 2 different ways. To once and for all decide whether Turbinado and Demerara sugar are interchangeable, which one makes a better syrup, and if not, which one's right for you. And don't forget the orange peel. So what is Demerara sugar? Traditionally from the Demerara region of Guyana, they are large, coarse sugar crystals that are golden brown. It can be thought of as real brown sugar as it's slightly refined cane sugar, but still retains some of its natural molasses from extracting the cane juice, contrasting with brown sugar, which is really just white sugar with molasses added back in. Demerara sugar is noted for its mild caramel and toffee flavor. Turbinado is made similarly, but there's a steam cleaning process to remove excess molasses, so it's lighter than Demerara, and also has a more subtle molasses flavor. You can also note the crystal size is smaller with Turbinado, which is immediately noticeable in how much faster it dissolves into a syrup than Demerara, which brings us to the rest of our old-fashioned ingredients, your favorite 100 proof or overproof bourbon. I like the spice of Knob Creek and find it really enriches the caramel and toffee flavors from Demerara syrup. Angostura bitters because it's not an old-fashioned without them, and it introduces additional baking spice and depth to the molasses flavor. Rich Turbinado syrup. Syrup is going to ensure it incorporates well and creates a more consistent sip. And rich Demerara syrup. These syrups are both 2-to-1, but notice how slowly the Demerara syrup flows compared with the Turbinado, which I assume is caused by the slower dissolve time of the Demerara sugar, which also likely results in more water evaporation and a thicker syrup. But in short, Demerara syrup runs thicker. Once you've got your syrup made, gather all of your ingredients and let's get to it. Starting off, grab your bar mat, mixing glass, and add 3 dashes or 6 little dashes of angostura from your dasher bottle. Next, you'll need a 1/4 ounce of rich syrup, starting with Demerara syrup on the right. I use my 1/2 tablespoon silverware, which measures 1/4 fluid ounces, as well as my pour spouts to ensure I'm measuring as accurately as possible. Silverware also ensures I'm not mixing the flavors of the two together. Even notice how slow the Demerara syrup pours. Next, your 1/4 ounce of Turbinado syrup, which seems much closer to the consistency of rich simple syrup that uses white table sugar. Lastly, your bourbon. Grab your jigger, pour spout in your bottle, and measure 2 ounces of bourbon, adding to each glass. Fill your mixing glass with ice and begin stirring for 30 seconds or until the glass gets frosty. I'm not good with my left-hand stir, especially with the size difference between the two mixing glasses, so I did a few extra stirs with my right hand to make sure the syrup and ingredients were well agitated and incorporated. Once frosty, remove your bar spoons, replace your mixing glasses with your rocks glasses, add your 2 favorite big cubes. Clear ice is cool, but just make sure the drink stays cold. Get your strainers and double strain those cocktails like you know what you're doing. Garnish with an orange peel. I like frozen peels, so it's much easier to make old fashions on demand. Now let's get to the good part, the taste test. Starting with the Demerara version, tasting of rich toffee, blending easily with the notes of cloves, cinnamon, and other baking spices, with some brightness from the orange oil. Knob Creek 9 is fantastic for old fashions. Now let's try Turbinado. You still get notes of toffee, but they're less present, and I also notice the cocktail is overall thinner on the palate, with the bourbon more present. It seemed like during the process of making the Turbinado syrup that it dissolved a lot faster than the Demerara, so it's quite possible less water evaporated during the process, making it thinner, but it's hard to tell without testing yield, taking in before and after weight. There's a slightly more sugary taste, but I think that comes from the Turbinado being a step more processed than Demerara. On the positive side, if you find that Demerara is a bridge too far in the flavor department, this might be a nice compromise for you. And it also allows the angostura to have more of a voice. But for my money, Demerara all day. Thanks everyone for watching. Do you have a favorite syrup you like to use for old fashions? Let me know down below. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, hit that like button, press subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.